English Odia speaking. Hi, I am Rahul. Hi, I am Rahul. Hi, mu Rahul. Hello, I am Sumi. Hello, I am Sumi. Hello, mu Sumi. Nice to meet you, Sumi. Nice to meet you, Sumi. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟି ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା ସୁମି. ନାଇସ୍ ଟୁ ମିଟ୍ ୟୁ ସୁମି. ତା ବଦଳରେ ସୁମି ଏମିତି କହୁଛି ନାଇସ୍ ଟୁ ମିଟ୍ ୟୁ ଟୁ ରାହୁଲ. ନାଇସ୍ ଟୁ ମିଟ୍ ୟୁ ଟୁ ରାହୁଲ. ମୋତେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟି ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଲାଗିଲା ରାହୁଲ. ନାଇସ୍ ଟୁ ମିଟ୍ ୟୁ ଟୁ ରାହୁଲ. ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଫ୍ରମ୍? ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଫ୍ରମ୍? ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠାରୁ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି? ହ୍ୱେର୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଫ୍ରମ୍? I am from Italy. I am from Italy. ମୁଁ ଇଟାଲୀରୁ ଆସିଛି. I am from Italy. How about you? How about you? ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠାରୁ? I am from Australia. I am from Australia. ମୁଁ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆରୁ ଆସିଛି. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Oh, ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ. Why are you here? Why are you here? ଆପଣ ଏଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି? Why are you here? I work here now. I work here now. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଏଠାରେ କାମ କରେ. I work here now. What's your job? What's your job? ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କାମ କରନ୍ତି? What's your job? I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିକ୍ଷକ. I am an English teacher. That's great. That's great. ଏହା ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ କଥା. That's great. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. Really? ସତରେ? Really? How long have you studied? How long have you studied? ଆପଣ କେତେ ଦିନ ହେବ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି? How long have you studied? For 6 months. For 6 months. 6 ମାସ ହେବ. For 6 months. Your English is very good. Your English is very good. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଂରାଜୀ ବହୁତ ଭଲ. Your English is very good. Thank you. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ. I practice every day. I practice every day. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରେ. I practice every day. What do you do? What do you do? ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଛାତ୍ର. I am a student. What do you study? What do you study? ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତି? What do you study? I study art at the university. I study art at the university. ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟରେ କଳା ପଢ଼ୁଛି. I study art at the university. Do you like it? Do you like it? ଆପଣ ଏହା ପସନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତି କି? Do you like it? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. ହଁ, ମୋତେ ଏହା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. Yes, I love it. Would you like to practice English? Would you like to practice English? ଆପଣ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ କି? Would you like to practice English? Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great. ହଁ, ଏହା ବହୁତ ଭଲ ହେବ. That would be great. We can meet for coffee. We can meet for coffee. ଆମେ କଫି ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ ଭେଟି ପାରିବା. We can meet for coffee. Perfect. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. When? କେବେ? Perfect. When? ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି. କେବେ? How about Saturday? How about Saturday? ଶନିବାର ଦିନ କିପରି ହେବ? How about Saturday? Yes, Saturday is good. Yes, Saturday is good. ହଁ, ଶନିବାର ଠିକ୍ ରହିବ. Yes, Saturday is good. Great. ବହୁତ ଭଲ. Great. सी यू देन तेबे से दिन देखा हेबो सी यू देन सी यू बाय देखा हेबो सी यू देखा हेबो बाय विदाय इतला किसी इंग्लिश भलिया कन्वर्सेशन एभली किसी इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस कले स्पोकन इंग्लिश रे बहुत हेल्प मिलबो।